Alright, so as I was trying to get new tires on the Jeep, I was told at the local mice that I had that the fan clutch here is wobbly, and you probably can't see it in the video, but this actually wobbles a bit. And if you don't know how a fan clutch works, basically as it gets hot, this gets the metal expands, which engages the fan. Even though this Jeep has an electric fan as well, I've never seen it where it's both, but I'm gonna replace the fan clutch here, as well as the serpentine belt. I don't know if there's anywhere to see on here, but so there's cracks in the belt here, and this is the tensioner which we'll use to loosen the belt. So they wanted $450 plus tax and everything for parts and labor. Meanwhile, I got the fan clutch for $37 and change, and this belt here for $22. So for about $60 in parts. And then when you take it off, I took the one pin out on the other side here. There's holes in this pulley for the water pump. You need to hold that, because if you try and loosen the fan clutch, basically what will happen is that your pump will also spin and you'll never loosen it. So what you do in here, and I didn't use these because it was too tight, but you take these pins, you put them through the threaded holes here and here, and that gets them through. Let me see if I can get it. Yeah, that hole that holds it. Then you take a big freaking wrench. As you hold this, I put it behind the AC condenser for their resistance. We give a couple of whacks to this, and this should come right off. Now we got to loosen these bolts, which are 13 millimeters if you're on a 4.7 Chrysler engine. We'll get the new fan clutch and we'll get this back in. And this is kind of rusted on. Well, we're gonna have to get this off a little bit. Maybe just a little bit of a pry bar or something. But this fan will transfer to the new clutch, and we'll get the fan clutch back in, as well as replace the serpentine belt. Alright, so now we can see it's running well. The new belt in, and the fan clutch. One of the things you're going to want to watch out for, and what I'll do is when I turn this off, I'm going to make a mark on the bolt in the pulley to see if this is loosening, because trying to get a torque wrench in there is pretty much next to impossible. You would need a special torque tool that has a bit for a torque wrench, and when you're turning it, you'd have to make sure that way is the way that it's torqued down properly. So I did it by hand feel. Again, watch to make sure that it doesn't loosen up, but right now I can see that the thing isn't wobbling. It used to wobble. I wish I had gotten a before video, but looks good and it's running smooth.